First you ask.
Okay. So first of all, hello, good evening.
Good evening, Komal. How are you?
Yes, I am pretty well, but little bit sick and under the weather. But yeah, everything is great. So what about you?
Yeah, I'm also fit as fiddle. Thanks for asking.
Okay. So
And
what's going?
yeah, I'm really excited to connecting with you because today I got chance to connecting with you. Yeah,
Even I'm also because I watched so many videos of you on YouTube, and I'm very much excited to connect with you. I'm desperate, but last week I went to Mathiran for 4 to 5 days for picnic. So I
Mhm.
just 2 days before I just came, and like nowadays I have lots of work on my plate, so
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
very
definitely.
getting a time for my work, and even I'm also under the weather, so it's very difficult.
Really,
Yeah.
really, I can see you are under the weather. Okay, let it be. So we are meeting very first time on a video call. Okay, so I would love to introduce myself.
Yeah, definitely, for sure.
Okay. So, as you know, I'm Shashi Singh and I'm speaking from UP Varanasi, and I have done my post graduation in economics. And apart from that, I have two diplomas. Okay, so I have one diploma in aviation in hospitality management, and yeah, I have another diploma which is NTT, and as well as I have 5 year experience as a teacher. So, it's a brief introduction of mine. Thank you so much.
Okay, that sounds good. Like, you have already experience of 5 years teaching field.
Yeah, I have.
So which type of job done by you?
Okay, yeah. Earlier I had like worked lots of things. Okay, like as a teacher, so I have 5 year experience as a teacher, and then after I have 1 year experience in front office also because I already mentioned you I wanted to become a cabin crew. Okay, like in a yeah. So so I wanted to work in aviation field. So that is why I just so that time I wanted to like collect some knowledge regarding his hospitality field. Okay, so that is why I did work in a front office also. Yeah, these all are I have.
So why you left that field?
Actually, yeah, actually, no, when I was preparing for that, so meanwhile, my father, okay, so he insists me for marriage, and so in this way, okay, and then after I got married, okay, and like after marriage you have lots of responsibility, and so I in this way I also face lots of thing, and yeah, I left it.
Oh my God. Like these things happen with me also. Like after marriage, I'm not doing anything. Like I consider myself as a housewife. Okay.
Yeah,
So but my mind is disturbed for these things, like why I'm not doing anything. I have so many responsibilities towards my family members, so I'm
mhm.
not doing anything. But I'm doing, I can say, like I'm doing 24 hours job, but we are
Really,
not in amount, so that's why we can't consider ourselves as a working woman.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah,
So don't you
and
feel like you are satisfied with your work, your household chores, and doesn't you feel like in future I will start again my journey?
yeah, definitely I am feeling so. That is why today I'm here and talking with you, and now I started working on YouTube. Okay, so because it was not possible that time because I had like that time I got I gave birth. Okay, so in this way I like I have also kids. So it was not, but now they like my kids. Okay, so they also started their schooling. So in this way now I'm getting little bit time, so yeah, so now I'm managing each and everything.
Okay. So how many children you have?
Yeah, I have to. Okay, one is
Okay.
a one is elder one is a girl and second one is he is a boy, and my daughter she is 5, and my son he is 4.
Okay. Like 1 year
Yeah,
is like between them 1 year it's
yeah.
a difference.
My daughter she is you can say like she is 5.5. Okay,
Okay.
yeah.
So you raised both children together, so you faced any difficulties?
Yeah, definitely. I face lots of difficulty to like raise them. But yeah, no, I'm living with my in-laws. So my mother-in-law, she is also with me. So yeah, so most of the time I have like do all the things like cooking and laundries and these type of all the things I am handling, and so she can just take care of my kids. Okay, so where he is playing, where they both are playing, where they both are going, what they are doing. So she can keep eyes on them. So in this way, like I am feeling like little bit a little bit like feeling satisfied. Okay, I think yeah, she is with them. Okay, so I can do this and this. Okay, so in this way I'm managing. Yeah.
Yeah. But I heard about, like, the if we have a two child and we have to raise them together. So sometimes what happen, we can't, spend time on a particular person, girl or boy, because of the younger child is too quite young. So first responsibility towards our younger child, and then
Really,
after
really,
our elder
really.
one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I totally agree with you, and it's happened with me also. Okay, and in this way, sometime I also felt like that. Okay, still I'm sometime feeling like that. Okay, because when he starts asking for something, so first I have to give him because he is like little one rather than her. Okay, and I just try to make them uh, beta please try to understand. Okay, he is little than you, like younger than you, so you are a elder one, so you just, so in this way I try to manage
They have to
both of
compromise
them.
every time because elder one is, they have big
Yeah,
responsibility.
really. So I have to tell her, okay, you are big one, and now you are grown up. So in this way, yeah, I'm telling her, and she is really really a satisfied girl. Okay, like she can satisfy with anything. Okay, and yeah, she can easily understand. You can say like that. Okay, she is really calm. Yeah,
I think most of the girls are the same, nature. They can easily understand everything. Their mind is calm. They are satisfied, and they didn't try to, bothering us. They haven't tried to
yeah,
bothering. Yeah.
yeah.
Rather than, if I talk about the, boy, so they are too naughty and they play with mischievous way, and the behavior is also bothering us. Yeah. It's very difficult to, raise to a child. And nowadays
Yeah,
people are aware, and they are trying to, difference both the children. They trying to difference 4 to 5 years minimum. It's yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah. They try to make difference between them, and somewhere it's good also. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, because if you have only one, so you can pay your whole potential. Okay, and you can give your whole time also to him. Okay, or her. So in this way you can take care of him or her in a very easy way.
Yeah, definitely. And but it's also disadvantages, like, we have to spend 10 to 12 years to raise both
Yes,
of the child,
yes, yes.
and we sacrificed our dreams and priorities towards ourselves. We
Really.
sacrificed totally everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the main problem is that like whatever you are doing, okay, and whatever you did, I'm just talking, not only I'm talking about myself, okay, I'm talking about each and every ladies who is like taking care of their families, their childrens. Okay, so we all are doing such kind of things. Okay, and no one will count it. Okay, no one will like no one have no one is ready to think about us. Okay, so why she left this, why she did this. Okay, so no one will count your what you did, and is it really you like break your dreams or left your dreams, so no one has value of your things.
Yes, definitely. I realized that thought, while, when my son birthday came, first birthday, that time I was thinking like, all are happy for their birthday, but I was thinking about my situation at that time, how much I'm facing a pain, and what was my situation at the on the bed. So I was thinking about that time period, and all are happy with his birthday party.
Yes, yes, yes.
Nobody, since nobody's seen our nobody sees our nature, like what I am thinking, what in my heart, and
No,
what are the
no,
feelings I'm facing right now. Yeah,
no
nobody
one,
knows. Think.
nobody knows, and literally they really don't want to ask you. Okay, they don't want to ask you. They don't come to ask you. Never. I
Yeah.
didn't face this kind of I also face lots of difficulty, and like really, really, what I tell you. Okay, let it be.
Let it be. Let it
But
be.
sometime na, it's make you unhappy also.
Yes, definitely. I agree with you, your point, and sometimes we think like one child is enough for us, and after Corona pandemic time period, people are aware to if we have a two child, so it's very easy for them while in their future they can easily share everything with their cousins and siblings. So if
Yeah.
we have a two child, so it's very good for their bright future. They can easily share with their problems. They live happy life. They they enjoy all the moments with together, because the parents are not like a whole life with them. So if we have a two child, so it's quite good for. But nowadays scenario is like everyone likes to go abroad for their further
Yeah.
study. So if we have a two child, so what is the difference? Like they raise different cities, and they live their life in a different countries. Somehow I can say like it's a good thing, and our country is also good. But nowadays children and like younger child, they likes freedom too much, and
Yes,
that's why
yeah, yeah. They
abroad
don't
and
want to they don't
they
want to live with their parents also, okay? Because they don't want to sacrifice their dreams. Yeah. So that is why, okay, and really, and somewhere it's good, and somewhere it's bad also. Like most of the time, because if you are not with your parents, so definitely, and your parents, okay, so they have like something, they have some desires, they have some expectation from your side, and being a child, okay, and because now we are talking about, okay, so how much difficulties we faced to raise our child, okay, so as like as they also faced, they also did, okay, so how can we deny them? Okay, we can't deny them. Even
yes,
even somewhere they are asking for something which is really not good, and sometimes we are not like our opinions are not matching. Okay,
yes,
so we have my thinking process is different, and their opinion is different. Okay, so that is why we both opinions are not matching. So that is why they just want to got separated. But in my opinion, anyhow, you have try to maintain and try to live with them, and yeah. So they both try to understand. It's not a fault of single one.
yeah, yeah. And even I want to share one thing here, like their teenager life. They when they come in teenager life, we just try to control their mind, and every time we just give advice, so they doesn't like. Okay, we
Really,
have to just share whatever in our mind, whatever our thoughts. We have to just share. Don't bother them, don't pressurize them. Otherwise, if we just try to control their life in our hands, so they like every time they try to uh, they try to cross that rules and regulations. So
really,
it's
really.
if we try to control them, so definitely they wants to cross the border. So it's not a good thing. Just we have to make them understand that is enough, and after that we have to think what are the points they are what are the points they are thinking, and how their mind is controlling. We have to observe everything by ourselves, but
Yeah,
we don't
like
memorize them.
try to make a friendly relationship with your teenagers, okay? And in this way you can suggest them. And first you just sit with them and ask like what is going in your mind and what you are thinking. So I'm also your friend, so you can share each and everything, okay? And I will not punish you, I will not doing anything wrong, okay? So just you can share whatever the things is going in your mind, and then after try to understand, try to analyze that. And then after, like if you are thinking like that, yeah, this thing can be bad for my kids, so what you can do for that, you can just put the both sides of particular uh, thing, okay? And and you can try to aware them, okay? So this is your this is the pros and this is the cons, okay? This is the advantage and this is the
This
disadvantage of the particular work which you want to do now, which you want to implement in your life now, okay? And then after, now it's your decision, you can take your own decision, okay? So definitely he will try to choose the best one, okay, the good one. But if you like in his starting, if you tell him no, this is not good for you, you can't do this, so definitely you will they like he will try to do something like that which you don't like.
Yes, definitely, definitely. You are saying right. Okay, Shashi. So it was a nice conversation and I enjoyed a lot. And thank you so much for giving me your precious time. Definitely.
I also thoroughly enjoyed with you, and yeah, and I definitely I love to connect with you again, okay? Bye bye, take care.
Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day.
Yeah.
Stop.